In this video on Sidrachain, we'll be talking about three main things. The first thing is how to get your Sidrachain KYC verified online. If you notice, look at my own here. I have a blue tick. I got it verified online, and I've been able to help about 150 people to verify their own KYC online. That is the first thing we'll be talking about. The second thing we'll talk about is how to swap your Sidra tokens. A lot of you whose KYC have been verified and you mine Sidra, you notice that you are still not able to send out your Sidra. This is because you need to do some conversions. Some people don't know how to do the conversion, and some people tried it, it did not work. So we'll be talking about that in this video. The third thing is this claim button. If you notice, I just claimed now, I think about 4 minutes ago, I just started mining today. A lot of people tried to click on this claim button and they could not bypass the facial verification. It was not allowing them to claim and the likes. So those are the three things we'll be talking about in this video, and if you pay attention, you will definitely get it. Now, the first thing is Sidrachain KYC. Sidra announced that for you to get your KYC verified, you have to visit a physical location, a physical center. And that is what people have been doing so far. But the thing is, not everybody can actually visit a physical location. Yes, it is not everybody that can visit a physical center. Especially when you are, let's say, for instance, people in Nigeria, there are some states that Sidrachain is not there currently. So how do you get your own verified? That is where I come in. If you want to get your Sidrachain KYC verified, even though Sidrachain said it is offline, that they are not doing it online, I have found a way. I have partnered with someone that is going to help you to do it online. So all you basically have to do, you are going to send me a message. Once you send me a message, I'm going to give you steps. You first of all have to submit your KYC documents. Now, let's head over to this hamburger menu here. You first of all have to, I'm going to send you a video on what you need to do. You first of all have to submit your KYC documents. You make sure that your KYC is in pending. For some of you, you've already done this for some years back. You submitted all your correct documents, your KYC is already in pending, but you are still not verified. So I'm going to show you what is the next step, because the next step is you actually have to book an appointment with the center, and then the center has to verify you and all of those. So what you basically have to do is to send me a message. Like I've said, I've been able to verify about 150 people so far. If you're already on my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp community, you'll have been seeing the messages for the past 1.5 weeks. That is what we have been doing. So to get my contact, you basically have to check the description box of this video. There is a link there to my Telegram channel. So once you come to my Telegram channel, check the pinned post. I repeat, check the pinned post. If anybody messages you on Telegram, it is not me, because I don't chat on Telegram. I only have a Telegram channel that I drop updates. So I keep my WhatsApp number in that Telegram channel. If you have any issues or you want to learn or anything like this KYC now, you can now message me on WhatsApp. So that is basically that about that. Now, for the second thing on how to claim your Sidrachain, how to swap, what you first of all need to know is that once your KYC is verified, that does not mean that you'll be able to send out your coins immediately. You have to wait for a period of 7 days before you can do your first transfer. Then, after doing your first transfer, you have to wait another 7 days again to do your second transfer, and you have to keep waiting. Now, if you are sure that you have waited for 7 days, so these are the steps that you need to follow for you to now get your coins into your normal balance that you will be able to send out. So below your screen, you tap on this wallet section, you tap on it. So once you tap on it, it opens up. Now, if you scroll up, there are two assets. The digital asset, that's a Sidra digital asset, and then the Sidra fan token. I'm trying to swap the fan token into digital asset because it is digital asset that you can send and receive. So we click on this Sidra swap. Look at Sidra swap here. I'm going to tap on it. Once it opens up, it shows you the amount you can swap. So 180 Sidra tokens is going to give me 179 Sidra digital assets. For your own, it might be different. Now, once you put that in, I'll now have to do a facial verification. Once you're done with the verification, it is going to take a while to process. You can see it is processing. So what I want to do now, it is not added to my balance yet. So let me refresh this page. First of all, I tap on that place. Now it has refreshed and it's still not added. So I'm going to head to my home section. On this my home, you can see my swap is in progress. So I'll wait for about 1 minute. After waiting for about 1 minute, I'm now going to tap on this update status. Once I do that, I'll wait for a while, and you can see, okay, this is how my page has now become. So the next thing I want to do is to, all right, you can see this is how the screen is right now. My balance is now 180. You can see my balance has become 180 SD from zero. So that is basically what you need to do. If I go to my wallet session, you can see it has also reflected, and I'll have to wait another 7 days again for me to now swap again for the second time. So that is basically what you need to do. And for this to be possible, you must first of all at least have to have complete your KYC. So you have to either complete your KYC, whether if it's physical or online. If you have a physical center, you go to the physical center, get your KYC completed. If you don't have a physical center and you want to do it online, you can send me a message. The process is still the same. You get verified. But what you need to know is it is not for free. It is not for free. Definitely your KYC will be verified, but it is not for free. But the money is still not much, is what you can afford. Now over to the last part of this our video. As for the claim button not working, all you simply have to do is to, when you come on this your screen here, I'll have loved to show it in this video, but I cannot currently because I've already claimed. Now, when you tap on the claim button, make sure to go to a clearly lit environment. I tried doing this inside my room, it did not work. So I had to go out and be under direct sunlight. Make sure your camera is clear. Then you put your face. You basically have to blink. Just blink twice. Once you blink twice, you take your head up and down or left and right. Once you do that step successfully, you start mining. That is what I have been doing over some days now, and it's working well. So Sidra portal does not have issues currently. If you're still having issues claiming or mining your Sidra, it is because you're not doing it properly or your camera is not clear. So that is basically that about that. Don't forget to go and get your KYC complete. As you know, Sidra's coins have been pumping. If you want to buy or sell your Sidra, you can send me a DM. I'm currently buying Sidra and I'm also currently selling Sidra. A lot of countries are currently buying Sidra right now. I don't know what is fueling that, but I'm going to make a little bit of research on it and I'll make another video because a lot of countries are currently buying Sidra and that is now pushing the price of Sidra. So this is to tell you that somehow, there is a bright future for Sidra. Sidra might probably be the coin that is going to take you out of poverty. But then, still, as I always say, lower your expectation. Another thing you need to know is that it does not matter whether you mine Sidra coins or not. You can still buy Sidra, especially for those of you that did not mine. I made a video whereby I showed you guys how to import Sidra to your either your MetaMask or your OKX Web3 wallet. So if you did not mine Sidra, all hope is not lost. If you have made your research, you believe in it, and you think Sidra has a good feature, it has a nice feature, you can still purchase Sidra. All you basically have to do is to make sure to import Sidra into your wallet. And as such, I've made a video showing you step by step on how to do this. So just check the top of your video or the top of this video you're watching on YouTube. I'll have pinned the video there. Then you can watch the step-by-step guide. And once you're done, you can now purchase Sidra into your OKS Web3 wallet or your MetaMask. And that is basically it. Make sure to like this video, share, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one.